Hello guys, good morning. I'm here outside doing yard work. Look guys, so my moringa plant. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of plant this one. Geranium? Hindi ako sure. Look, see, it's beautiful. And look at this bush guys, so it's nice and green. And my pink roses, there's lots of buds now. Look, oh my gee, look at guys, look at my grapefruit. Look, can you imagine the fruits on this one grapefruit tree guys? Oh, alam niyo guys, the grapefruit tree is just like my decoration in my garden. Look at the sun, so beautiful. Oops, look at that, oh my gosh. And look, I'll go to the other side. Look at that guys, so beautiful. And look, marami na naman akong grapefruit. Alam nyo, nasa puno pa yung iba. Hindi ko yan kinukuha. Hinayaan ko na lang yan. Sa sobrang dami. And look, yung luma na yung the old fruit, itapon ko yan din. Yun, na naman yung bagong. Sobrang dami guys. Alam nyo, very expensive ito sa sa grocery store. Parang itong small pomelo ba? Parang ganun. Wow. Oops. Is that? It's popping. Look, ang tayo. Look at the blossoms guys. Oh. Yan ang blossoms ng guys, grapefruit. Look. Can you imagine yung bunga? Look, ang dami. Look, super dami guys. I cannot stay longer because I don't have the mask and I can smell the blossoms. Wow. And this one, my hibiscus plants. Look, parang siya, hibiscus tree. Kasi siya, super big. Look, may may dahon na. Ko pa ito, dami kong linisin dito sa yard. At least naman, ma-exercise. Shout out to all my members. Thank you everyone for the love and support.